Everyone, today we will learn about how to use inbuilt screen recorder in your OnePlus 5 phone. This is a OnePlus 5 phone. To use a inbuilt screen recorder, first you have to update your system. See, recently OnePlus company has released new updates for OnePlus phones. Uh, and in that update they have given new features. One of them is called screen recorder feature. For that you have to go in the settings first, then in system. After that you will see the option system updates. The phone is checking for updates now. See, as I have already updated my phone, it is showing your system is up to date. For some of you it may show that the update is available, then you have to download it and install it. After downloading and installing it, you will see view change log. In the change log you will see what updates they are giving, and they have fixed some bugs and added new features. On system update number 2, they are saying that they have added screen recorder feature. To use this screen recorder feature, first you have to go in the quick menu. This is your quick menu. Then go into this settings, editing. See, you will see the screen recorder option. Click on it, hold it and drag it here. So it is ready to use now. Okay, so let's click on it. You will see this three options here: recording, settings and close button. Let's click on recording button. See, you can see that it has started recording screen. It is starting. There is an option to pause it and stop it. If you want to change something between the video, you can pause the video for some time and make some changes and then again start recording it. So you won't have to do two different videos. In same video you can do many things. After doing this, after completing your video, you can use this stop button. After that you will see this option, video file saved. Click to view it in gallery. You can directly share it from there. See, you can see that it has started recording screen. It is starting. This is how you can record screen in your OnePlus 5 phone. There is one more option in that. See, in the settings, sometimes you have to record a video with your voice or background voice, and sometimes you just want to record the internal audio. So there is an option in it that is called audio source. Here you can see internal audio and microphone audio. In internal audio it will only record the voices coming from your phone, and in microphone audio it will record your voice or surrounding voice. So depends on what you need, you can choose either option. Okay, this was the video for how to use inbuilt screen recorder in OnePlus 5 phone. Hope you will find it useful. Thank you.